have spent years in this online business space. I have used all the systems there are to use. I've used Lead Pages for building out lead pages. I've used my own WordPress site for building out funnels. I've used the page builders inside of Thinkific or Kajabi, all of these things to build out funnels and to build out my sales process for my customer. And I've actually tried ClickFunnels 3 times in the past and disliked it every single time. But now I'm a ClickFunnels lover. So I want to tell you what made me change my mind, why I'm loving ClickFunnels, and why I have switched to that even though I have all these other tools at my disposal. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are brand new here, I'm Jessica Stansberry. I am basically your Southern business online BFF. So if you are looking to get out of your own way, stop making excuses, and live the life you were supposed to live, I'm your girl. So make sure you hit subscribe and come back every single week for more tips and tricks just like this one on what I'm loving, how I can help you in some way, tutorials, all the things. Now, if you don't want to just stop at a YouTube video, I have a podcast called Grit that you can go binge listen on anywhere that you can listen to podcasts, as well as an Instagram account where I literally hang out way more hours a day than I should. So come over and hang out with me. All the links are below. But until then, make sure you hit subscribe because I don't want you to miss anything on this particular channel. Now, like I said in the intro, I've actually tried ClickFunnels several times in the past, and I've just not loved it. It's been glitchy or buggy or something has been a little crazy with it, and I just couldn't bring myself to invest the money in this software when I could do the same things through other softwares. So in the past, I have built funnels on my own WordPress site and linked them through like Samcart or Thrivecart or something like that. I have used Deadline Funnel to create a deadline and have the page expire and go away and all the things. I have used the pages built into Thinkific and in Kajabi, which is fairly new for me. I have used all of these things to build my funnels in the past. But I recently completed ClickFunnels One Funnel Away Challenge, and first of all, the content in that is just spectacularly amazing, regardless of your business model. So I'm going to link that below. I'll also pop it across the screen right here if you want more information on that. But it is an amazing, amazing challenge that you can do. They do it, I don't know if they do it every month, but they do it every so often. Basically, it's a 30-day challenge where you can get your funnels in order. It was great. But as I was going through that, I was like, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and give ClickFunnels a try again because I love what they teach. I love the people behind the company. I always have. I've always thought Russell is really smart, and all of the people that I know behind the company are great. But I also just kind of felt like the system was buggy. So I'm like, okay, I'm going to try it again. I'm going to give it another try. So I signed up for a 14-day free trial, which, by the way, if you want that, again, linked below. Everything is linked below. So I signed up for a 14-day free trial, and I decided to just go ahead and build out a funnel on ClickFunnels in the way that we were learning to do it through the One Funnel Away Challenge. Now, mind you, I've been building funnels and doing funnels for years, and I can nerd out super quickly on funnels, and I love them so much. But this was just kind of a new way to look at it, a new system to use, that kind of thing. So one, I love that I could try it for 14 days, and if I didn't love it, that I could just turn around and say, never mind, I don't want to use this anymore, okay? But two, one of the other things that really helped me convert to ClickFunnels was the fact that I could buy and download and use pre-built funnels from a couple of my friends who make these amazingly gorgeous, high converting funnel templates. So I am not an affiliate for them at all. I actually reached out to Kathy and was like, do you have an affiliate program? And she was like, no, not yet, but we need one. So I'm not an affiliate for them, but my friends Kathy Olson and Julie Stoyan have a company called Funnel Gorgeous. And this is basically, you can use their templates for any other software or system. They give you all the images and everything if you want to do that. But they pre-build ClickFunnels funnels in beautifully gorgeous formats, and then give you all the prompts that you need to put the things in the places. So not only are they pretty, and you're buying a template in that way, but you're buying a template that has like knowledge behind it on like what needs to go where and what wording needs to go where and things like that. Now, it's not foolproof, but they have that kind of all set up for you. And the fact that I could just pay for that, download it, and upload it in about 5 minutes had me kind of considering I wanted to go with ClickFunnels, because those girls really know what they're talking about when it comes to funnels and making them pretty. And I felt like I was missing out not being able to use their templates to then pull into ClickFunnels. So that really helped me decide that, okay, I'm going to try ClickFunnels. And let me tell you what, those funnel templates are amazing. So pretty, so easy to use, and so smart in the way that they have everything built out. So again, I'm going to link it below. I'm not an affiliate at all for them because they don't have an affiliate program yet, but you need to go check it out. It's called Funnel Gorgeous by Kathy Olson and Julie Stoyan. All right, so the other thing that I'm loving about ClickFunnels is that everything is kind of all in one place. I can build out my landing page, like my squeeze page for a freebie, then my sales page, then my thank you page and my checkout page, all in one place. Like I literally don't have to leave the same screen. I build out one page, move to the next one, move to the next one, move to the next one. And that is really, really great, because if you're building them on your own website or something like that, you're literally having to remember URLs and hook them together, and it can get a little hairy. But here, everything is in one place, and I love that so much. The other thing that I'm loving that I'll finish up with is that it's literally what it's built for. So if you are looking to up your funnel game and really like get into building funnels for your business and doing it in a way that's going to convert and that you're doing what you should be doing along the way, it's like that's what it's built for. It's not built for anything else. It is built for building funnels. So I'm a big believer in one, hiring people with specialties, but also buying softwares with specialties. So, if I'm looking for someone who is I'm going to bring on to manage our Facebook ads, I'm not going to look for somebody who has like a generic idea of how to do it. I'm going to look for somebody who that's what they do. They do Facebook ads, right? And with softwares, it's kind of the same thing. If I'm looking to build out my funnels, I don't need to look at a company or a software who kind of does funnels and you can build funnels through them, but that's not really what all they do. I want to look at a software company that that's what they do. That's what their whole business is. And the name of the company is literally ClickFunnels. So I've decided to give it another try. So far, I'm loving it. I haven't built out all my funnels yet. It's on my to-do list to do over the next couple of weeks. But so far, between the 14-day trial, those pretty funnels, that everything is in one place, and I haven't seen the bugs and glitches that I had seen in trials past, I am obsessed with it. So if you're looking to try out ClickFunnels, there's a 14-day trial link below. If you're looking for the One Funnel Away challenge, the link to that is also below, and then all of the Funnel Gorgeous stuff is also linked below for you to check out. So hopefully this was helpful if you're on the fence about ClickFunnels as well, or if you're using it currently and you're not sure how to get the most of it. Hopefully this was helpful, and until next time, make sure to hit subscribe, because I don't want you to miss any other helpful tips and tricks like this with me every single week. Bye, y'all.